Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is a follow-up from my previous video about the use of this Android car player to power my dash cam that I thought it works. Unfortunately, it does not. How do I know? Because whenever I turn on my vehicle, the dash cam turn on, but unfortunately it does not record. It does not work properly because the ampere is too low to make this 4K dash cam to record any videos. So I decided to make this video to show you how to solve this problem. So instead of using the Android car player USB output to power my own dash cam, I first need to get a delay turn on module online, and then do some wiring, wire it to the USB outlet charger to the dashboard. And then whenever I turn on my vehicle, I'm going to make sure this USB outlet does not raise to drag any current from the battery. Until 10 seconds later, only it will actually turn on the dash cam. You'll see the green light is a new wire that I bought with smaller tips so that it actually bends around the windscreen. And the dash cam is recording properly, red dot, and also connect to a MagSafe phone charger. Right? It's very useful. I hope this video helps you. I appreciate a thumbs up. Bye.